and the war that's happening right now in Sudan. We are sending love to the people of Sudan right now. No child deserves to suffer. No woman, no mother, no father, no city, no nation should have to go under the pain and the suffering that's happening right now in Sudan. Let's send love over there right now. Santiago, make some noise for love. Say love, love, love. Love, love, love. Say love, love, love. Love, love, love. Say love, love, love. Love, love, love. We sending love, love, love. Love, love, love. We're sending love, love, love. Love, love, love. Let's send some love, love, love. Love, love, love. Say love, love, love. Love, love, love. And if you know the words to the song, help us out and sing along. Come on. People killing people, children hurt and hear them. Would you practice what you and would you turn it? Father, 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 help us. Some guidance from us. People got me, Russia. Thank you, Santiago. ¿Quieres más? Oh, okay. Mira. We have to go. Oh, no. But before we go, we're just going to walk off the stage to one of my favorite songs. We're just going to walk away because we don't want to get in trouble. No, yo no quiero problema. No, yo quiero problema. Okay? Yo no quiero problema. So, we're going to leave. No quiero problema. No quiero problema. Ahí viene la chota. Yo no tengo más tiempo. Ahí viene la policía. Ahí viene la policía. Corre. Yo no quiero problema. Corre. Policía. Policía. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Let's play that joint before we walk out. Muchas gracias para todo. So, just 1, 2, 1, 2. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night.